These eminent personalities are here just to honor you, to honor the party, and to make sure that by the end of 15th of August, you are prepared to take over as the governor of your state. Please have your seat. Let me recognize all the members of the committee here present. It's with great honor and pleasure that I welcome all of you to this August gathering for us to inaugurate. These members have been carefully selected from all walks of life, from the National Assembly to governors, to the Federal Executive Council, deputy governors, past and present members of the National Assembly, and different stakeholders of the party, from the business environment to different people who have been gathered here, carefully selected to ensure that we mobilize both human resources and material resources, and also ensure that the election is properly coordinated for us to win the Osun governorship election come 15 August 2026. If any political party in Nigeria has human resources in abundance, it is APC. If there's any political party that has the most experienced politicians in Nigeria, it is APC. No political party can boast of the number of governors, number of National Assembly members, number of local government chairmen, number of councillors, number of former governors, former National Assembly members. All we have them in abundance. We have even a number of former PDP leaders who are now here. Former different political parties, former Labour Party, former this, they've all come to add to the number of experience and depth in resources that we have in the party. APC has all it takes to win an election in Nigeria, from councillorship to local government chairman election, to National Assembly election, House of Assembly election, to governorship election, and also the presidential election come 2027. With the people selected that we have in this room and this hall, from the governors to National Assembly, to National Working Committee members, to all the committees that we have here, nothing will stop us to take Ambo to Government House come 15 August 2026. And with this assurance and this confidence that I stand here to boast that I'm privileged to head a party that had the machinery, oil and geared and prepared to win election at all levels. And today is a test, one of the tests, litmus tests. Going to 2027, this will be the last election that we will hold before the general election. This will be a litmus test. This will be the level of preparedness that we're going to have before 2027. This, you will be our practicing ground. You will be our rehearsal of the machinery we're going to prepare for 2027. That's why winning election in Osun is a must-do for APC. And the party will mobilize resources, mobilize and coordinate people who will ensure that we go down to Osun in our numbers after this inauguration. By the time the governors in the Southwest, the governors in the South-South, the governors in the Southeast, they take only one senatorial district. with the National Assembly members, House of Assembly members, local government chairmen, and they do man-to-man campaign across the state. The governors from the north, they come with their local government chairmen, the councillors, their own local government chairmen, the House of Assembly members, National Assembly members, and we do man-to-man campaign. We do house to house. There's no tribe, no language, no person that is in Osun right now, both indigent and non-indigent, that has a person, doesn't have a person in APC, that can walk to his house, knock his door, and convert him to ensure that we win the election in 2027. That's why we selected the members of this committee to cover all tribes, all languages, all people, all shade of opinions, from the PWs to everybody we need to mobilize this election, from the women, and that's the Minister of Women Affairs is here. You're going to mobilize the women, door to door, house to house, to ensure that we win this election in 2026. Having said that, I want to call the chairman and co-chairman of this committee to stand up with the secretary. Along with all the members of the committee, please stand up to be inaugurated. If you're a member of
the newly inaugurated campaign council, I express our profound gratitude to the leadership of our great party, the All Progressive Congress, for the confidence reposed in us. We accept this responsibility with humility and an unshakable resolve to justify that confidence. This inauguration is another call to service, one that we are happy, ready, and willing to undertake. Public responsibility is not a decoration. It is a covenant demanding sacrifice, discipline, and measurable results. We therefore accept this assignment as a solemn obligation to our great party, to our democracy, and to the good people of Osun State. This is a collective responsibility. Every member of this council, every leader and member of our party, and every progressive stakeholder has a vital role to play. There can be no spectacles in a mission of this importance. Our unity must be our first campaign message, because a united party is the strongest foundation for victory. Our assignment is clear: to listen to the people of Osun State, speak to their hopes, earn their confidence, and convince them to vote for APC and our governorship candidate, Asiwaju Nurudeen Bola Oyebanji, popularly known as AMBO. We shall present a tested, competent, and people-centered candidate whose vision is anchored on prudent leadership, inclusive prosperity, and renewed confidence in government. Our campaign will be issue-based, evidence-led, and respectful. It will rest on the achievements of the APC-led federal government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and the outstanding performance of progressive governors across our states. These records demonstrate that progressive governance is not an abstract slogan. It is a practical philosophy that transforms public trust into infrastructure, education, healthcare, security, opportunity, and human dignity. We especially acknowledge the outstanding leadership and performance of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, a statesman of uncommon courage, who chose the prosperity and posterity over applause and reform over retreat. Through the renewed hope agenda, he is transforming today's challenge into the foundation of a stronger, more prosperous Nigeria. His courage in confronting difficult national challenges, his clarity of purpose, and his unwavering commitment to the renewed hope agenda give us both inspiration and compelling platform. We shall ride on his leadership qualities and support to deliver this assignment and translate national renewal into a message that speaks directly to the aspirations of Osun people. The APC approaches this election as the most coordinated, most focused, and prepared political party. Readiness, however, is measured not only by the size of our rallies, but by the clarity of our message, the discipline of our organization, and the depth of our connection with the electorate. We shall work as one team, with one purpose and one destination. That is victory. We will reach the people where they live and work across communities, local government areas, wards, and polling units. We will engage workers. We will engage farmers. We will engage market women, artisans, professionals, young people, traditional and religious leaders, and persons with disabilities. We will listen before we act, persuade rather than impose, and mobilize lawfully so that every vote counts and delivers victory. We will not be fettered, distracted, or intimidated by opposition blackmail, misinformation, or manufactured outrage on social media or anywhere else. We will answer falsehood with facts. We will respond to insults with discipline, propaganda with performance, and provocation with peace. Our strength will lie not only in the loudness of our voices, but in the truth of our message and the effectiveness of our organization. We are irrevocably committed to a peaceful, free, and credible election. Democracy finds its highest meaning when citizens are persuaded by ideas, protected by peace, and empowered to choose freely. No political ambition is worth the blood of any citizen. We will do everything lawfully possible to ensure that this election is peaceful and credible. Our campaign will be vigorous without violence, competitive without bitterness, and confident without arrogance. We shall conduct ourselves in a manner worthy of the Omulabi ethos of Osun State. Today, we make a solemn promise. This council will perform excellently. We will not merely participate. We will organize. We will mobilize. We will deliver by the grace of God and the democratic will of the people. We will return Osun to the progressive fold and secure a decisive, peaceful, and credible victory for the All Progressive Congress and for Asiwaju Mururuddin Bola Oyebanji. The work begins now. The standard is excellence. The method is peace. The destination is victory. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
The largest political party in Africa with the largest, most formidable political structure on the continent. Ably led by His Excellency Professor Netawa Ilwada, I recognize especially our Baba, Chief Bisi Akonde, the father of the progressive family, especially in Nigeria, and former governor of Osun State and former chairman of our great party. Your Excellencies, former governor heirs present, and particularly my mentor, my leader, my boss, His Excellency Dr. Adegboyega Oyetola, CON. Distinguished members of the National Campaign Council of our great party, I recognize all our leaders and members, and I recognize and honor distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Kindly permit me to adopt the protocol as earlier established. Your Excellencies, distinguished leaders, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you warm greetings and the words of commendation from our teaming supporters and party members across Osun State. Soon after the list of members of the National Campaign Council was made public, our people back home were filled with immense joy and uncommon excitement. Consequently, one of the responsibilities entrusted to me is to convey their profound gratitude to the leader of our great party and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Similarly, our leaders and supporters back home have asked me to specially convey their appreciation to the National Working Committee of our great party for leaving no stone unturned in our efforts towards the August 15, 2026 governorship election in Osun State. This appreciation is particularly inspired by the caliber of political heavyweights selected to undertake this important assignment. The leadership and members of APC in Osun State have absolute confidence in your individual and collective abilities, capacities, and political experience to deliver victory to our great party. Your track records and political antecedents speaks eloquently to this confidence. Seated in this hall today are veteran and veterans and accomplished leaders of the Nigerian political arena. I salute you all. Distinguished leaders, since my emergence as the governorship candidate of our great party last year, our campaign team, with the active participation of co-aspirants who have taken up critical roles, has taken our message of prosperity, good governance, and renewed hope to every corner of Osun State. As you are aware, Osun State is made up of 3 senatorial districts, 9 federal constituency, 26 state constituency, 30 local government areas, 332 political wards, and 3,762 polling units. Across these constituencies, wards, and polling units, our party is growing stronger every day, while our people are progressively mobilizing electoral victory. In the course of this journey, we have engaged with every segment of our society, our referred traditional rulers, private sector operators, market men and women, students, artisans, civil women. Across all these engagements, one message has been consistent and clear. The people of Osun State can no longer afford to endure another day of the current uninspiring administration in the state beyond November 27th, 2026. With less than 18 days to the election, I'm delighted to report to our leaders that the people of Osun State have received our prosperity message with uncommon excitement. Distinguished leaders, Osun State is ready for All Progressive Congress to complete the rescue mission and return the state of the path to the path of the progress, governance, responsible leadership, and sustainable development. Interestingly, our women and youth have demonstrated exceptional commitment to the ideals and promise of our great party. Only a few days ago, Her Excellency Alhaja Kafayat Gboyega Oyetola, the former First Lady of Osun State, led thousands of women and youth in a victory walk through the street of Osogbo, the state capital. That walk was only one of the numerous demonstrations of solidarity and support for our great party by the people of Osun State. We have enjoyed similar solidarity in cities like Ila, Iragbiji, Ikire, Ile-Ife, Iwo, Osogbo, Ilesha, Ede, among others. Therefore, I'm pleased and confident to report to you, our leaders, that the Osun State APC is ready to do everything lawful, legitimate, and necessary to win back the governorship of the state and return it to the progressive fold. Our people can no longer sit and watch the enormous resources of the state being expended without equal value or meaningful improvement in their daily lives. Osun State cannot afford to be left behind in the current wave of reforms, development, and economic transformation being championed by the administration of our great leader, Mr. President, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. We must therefore seize this moment of national transformation and ensure that Osun State becomes an active participant and beneficiary of the Renew Hope agenda. On this note, and on behalf of the leaders and members of Osun State APC, as well as the 2026 Osun State Governorship Campaign Council, I sincerely thank each and every one for your readiness to commit your time, energy, experience, and resources towards ensuring the victory of our great party. With your support, guidance, and commitment, we are confident that the APC will return to the seat of government of the Bola Ige House, Abiri, on 27th November 2026. As an individual, I have greatest respect for the leadership of our great party, and as a strong party man, I pledge my loyalty to the APC without reservations. By the grace of God and the support of our leaders, I will make all of you, our leaders, proud. The people of Osun State are ready. The Osun APC is ready. Our campaign is ready. Together, we will win. Together, we will rescue Osun. And together, we will build a prosperous Osun State. I thank you all.